Look, I know you just wanna fuck me for my.
Okay, what's going on, guys? It's kind of late today, but
it's really late.
But we are going to do a YouTube.
But anyways,
video.
we're coming to you live for breaking news. This
Penny.
is Penny. She
You
got
guys remember Penny from the
haircut,
last video? Yeah, she just got cut.
and she's cold.
She's chilling. But what is it called? So today we're gonna be doing a pretty interesting video. We're gonna be doing the handcuff challenge, okay? And the thing about this challenge is it isn't gonna be all day because we already killed half of the day.
And he's gonna be
waiting for
to
these
the
to come
dog.
in the mail. What?
You're gonna be handcuffed to the dog.
I'm gonna be handcuffed to Penny.
Cold, bro.
We're going to just get lit. You feel me? You feel me?
We're not. Oh my God, I'm sick. I'm gonna sound manly.
What do you mean? You already always sound manly.
We are ugly. You missed
Sponsored
my
by
snap.
Snapple.
No, it's not.
It's always sponsored by Snapple. You guys already know this.
It's sugary.
It's got
diabetes in a jar. Mistake.
Okay, guys. So we're going to put these handcuffs on now.
Shut up!
Ah! You stabbed me.
Oh, sorry. All right, that's on.
Yeah,
All right, straight here. Put mine on. I put yours on. You put mine on.
Should I stab you too?
No, fam.
Put your arm here. It's the other
Ow.
one.
Ow!
There.
Ow! Ow!
You're so dramatic.
Bro, this hurts.
Pussy!
You're fine.
I can't even move my wrist. Ow.
Turn it. Alright. Boom, let's do this. Come on.
Boom. Alright, guys. Ow!
A few moments later.
What the fuck?
Oh, you got it.
I got skills, bro. I got skills. We about to play basketball right now. That's why we're cleaning this all over. You feel me? Ow! 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 Oh, God!
I think I broke my wrist.
I think I broke my wrist too. Alright, guys, so we're gonna lift this now together. Really tall and dirty.
How do you want me to reach that?
Look at our wrist. Come over here.
Wait, I'm a little ashy.
She needs some lotion. I mean, it's not that bad to the pain I'm feeling.
It just hurts.
It hurts really bad. So, we have a flat basketball here. We're going to play basketball.
Wake up the members of my nation.
3, 2, 1.
Go!
I know you see.
Alright, guys. So this is a flat ball that we're gonna like, play basketball with. We're gonna take the first shot. Ow!
Get your hand out my way.
Ow! Alright.
Oh,
You suck!
beautiful this.
Like this, look.
Hit me in the boob.
No!
Oh!
Oh, hell no. I'm gonna...
I can't go nowhere.
Ow! Ow!
How do you grab it with one hand?
Because my hands are big.
Whatever.
My hands are freaking small. 4-year-old hands.
Screw you.
Ow!
Ow.
Come over here.
I just drool.
I freaking suck.
You do.
What the hell? How is it?
Hey! Rude. Go get it. By yourself. It's Kobe right here. Nah, just kidding. LeBron.
Damn! Damn! So all you Lakers fans out here,
I'm a Lakers fan. I just don't like LeBron. It's okay.
you want I want a cute shot.
You want a cute shot? Alright, go get your cute shot. A minute.
Oh hell no!
Stop. Shoot it that way. Go backwards.
This one's for you guys.
Don't say that.
Ah, yeah! Ah! I try not to get my shoes dirty, guys. They're new, okay? I don't know. Those are our neighbors put their stuff on me. Oh! Oh, Jesus. Okay, guys, so, it's not the first rodeo I've been in, throwing the bottle over to the neighbor's fence. Landed right there.
It's on there. Let's go get it.
So we're gonna go get this bog, guys.
But I'm shaky. Hold this down. Oh my gosh. I'm too shaky.
Guys, so we are going to the store right now. We're gonna try to
I'm
get
being followed.
some footage or something. And I don't know how this is gonna turn out.
Get in my way.
Ow! Alright, you can hang outside the car and then I'll just drive, put you on top and tie you.
Hurry up! Hold on. My phone, wait a minute. Ah! Hold up.
With some handcuffs.
It's embarrassing. Ow. You're over here. Stop swinging.
We went down the we tried to look in the front too, I don't know.
What the fuck?
Why are we coming down?
Tension is building.
Oh my god, Betty. Come here.
Whoa, what is this?
You're gonna wear this for the rest of the day.
Go, let's go. Let's go.
Wait, I gotta grab my things.
Can you see my head?
I'll see your face.
I feel better. Honestly, I feel better when I feel better wearing
Stand up.
Oh, rip.
Well, my back hurts.
Well, it looks a bit, I can't
You're
find
gonna have to get that box
which box?
up on the very tip top.
Nice.
Alright guys, so we just came back from Walmart, pretty interesting trip as you guys saw from the little clips of the videos. We don't have like craziness reactions because my sister wasn't the greatest person to record.
We were kind of boring.
We were boring. I think this video wasn't too,
I was
it wasn't up to
embarrassed.
my expectations.
He's embarrassing me in public.
I was so lit in public.
Like
Mom,
always.
stop! Film the video. I'm trying to film, Mom. This video,
Anyways,
this video wasn't like.
it wasn't what we expected it to be.
This video
A
was
lot
not
of
what we
things
expected
went
it to be.
wrong. I'm talking.
My bad.
Anyways, it was a total disaster. This whole day just went.
It was a
to
failure.
pot. Anyways, I'm gonna sing you a song.
I had to be stuck for this for I don't even know how long.
For this, wait, I had to be stuck with you.
Ow!
This is what I had to do. It's digging into my arm, but he's screaming like a little girl.
Bro, it's because I'm skinny, so I can actually feel it in my bones.
Now you're calling her fat? Wow, baby.
No, I'm just saying you got.
What you got against big people?
I never said I had a thing against big people.
This is EJ eating weenies. That's not my kid.
Alright guys, we're gonna end the video. Okay.
Anyways.
We're gonna take these handcuffs off. Finally.
Can you
Okay, I got it.
let me unlock the you put it in the wrong way.
I know. My hands are so cold, they're frozen, so I
You
can't.
put it in the wrong way.
I'm putting
Flip the
oh,
key.
Yeah. I can't see.
Oh, look at this. Look at that. Look, do you
Look
see
at-
that?
Yes,
Look
you
at
see.
this.
It's indented my bone. I'm having a lawsuit. I'm gonna call my lawyers.
Alright guys, thank you for watching the videos. Drop a like, subscribe, drop a comment, any ideas for next video, you know. Put the post notifications on.
Stay tuned for next year.
That's true. You see that?
These beans
Thank you
roll
guys.
back. Okay.
And
Goodbye.